You're about to sell your house. Well, an agent could put a sign in your yard, but which agent is going to get the most money? The answer is Rudy Kusuma. Just saw Rudy and his staff yesterday. We had a great lunch together, and he does sell twice as fast than the average agent, and he sells for more money, 2% more on average. And he has the buyers. He has an exclusive buyers in waiting system with 7,900 ready home buyers ready to go right now. And Rudy sold an Orange County home in just 11 days, multiple offers, sold it for $5,000 over asking. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-783-7355, or go to rudyhasthebuyers.com, rudyhasthebuyers.com.
Hi, my name is Carl Henderson, and I recently purchased this home with the help of Rudy Consumer real estate team. The experience was good. Julio Maldonado assisted me and actually became a very good associate over the past year, about a year and a half. Really dedicated his time and efforts to assist me, and anytime I called, he was prompt to call me back or to respond to a text message or email to let me know that there was an opportunity to look at a home. Not any time did he ever deny meeting me at a property to look at it or to get my opinion. Never pushed or anything to try to force me into a sale, but always said it was my choice, and which I really appreciated, and appreciated the fact that he took so much time and showed care and concern toward my needs and what I was looking for. Just recently, again, purchased a home here in Corona, which is my targeted area, and all the homes that we looked at, there was a few that I walked into that just really said welcome, and the one that said welcome the loudest is what we just closed escrow on, and very happy about that. One of the things that I appreciate is the efforts that was put forth in the purchase of this home. It was one that I desired, and knowing that the competitiveness of the market was fierce, Julio really stuck with us and worked with me in beating other offers that was being made toward the home, and we were able to close the deal. With all that I've experienced with the sales team, I'm very satisfied and would recommend the sales expertise of Julio and the team, Rudy, and the real estate team, and making sure that others can also purchase homes as well.
Stop on weather from Kevin. More coverage of where you drive most. I'm Angel Martinez.
If you want to sell your home now and get the best price, you call Rudy Kusuma. Rudy will sit down with you. You agree on a price and a deadline. If the deadline passes and the home isn't sold, he'll buy your home, guaranteed. If your house doesn't sell, Rudy will buy it as is for a price acceptable to you. Rudy sold Lisa and Jean's home on Fairview Avenue in Arcadia for $20,000 more than asking price in 12 days. RudyHasTheBuyers.com. RudyHasTheBuyers.com. Or call 855-RUDY-7355. 855-RUDY-7355.
Hi, my name is Sheila Gokhale. I just purchased a property in Colima Road from Stella, Rudy's team. I'm really happy with everything, how the Stella work, and the whole team worked together, all the time ready for me to answer the questions, all the difficult things we had in between the loans and appraisal and all those things. They do really well, good job, always there for me to help out. And I'm very happy with this closing today, buying the home, because this home is downstairs. Right now I live upstairs, so I was looking for something downstairs, and because I'm getting old and my feet were hurting all the time going up and down, so I decided to purchase the downstairs home. We saw the on Zulu the Wednesday night, Thursday morning we went to go see the condo around 10 o'clock and made the offer the same time, and that day it got accepted, and we had 21 days escrow. I will recommend Stella and Rudy Kusuma team again and again because I'm really happy with the whole team. They work all together very well. I've been to the office, I know exactly how everybody works, Mary and all the other people I met there. So, thank you very much. I really appreciated all you do.
Your home sale is the biggest financial transaction of your life, and you want a realtor who guarantees a sale, and that's Rudy Kusuma. Saw Rudy and his staff the other day. We had a good lunch together. He has a base of 7,900 buyers, and they were waiting to buy any homes between $500,000 to $1 million right now. You and Rudy agree on a price and a deadline for your home sale, and if the deadline passes, Rudy will buy it himself. Rudy's homes sell for more on average of $17,000 more on a $500,000 home. Call Rudy Kusuma, dial pound 250 on your cell phone and say Rudy has the buyers. Pound 250 and say Rudy has the buyers, and you'll have the option to receive an auto-dial text message from iHeartMedia.
I wanted to look for a place for myself that's like closer to work because I used to work in downtown, and then I found a new job in City of Industry, so I wanted to find a place that's like closer to work but also doesn't take that much time like with the traffic. So like I found this location that's perfect because it's close to like downtown everywhere, like to places that I hang out with, that I hang out at, and then it's also against traffic when I go to work. So I have like a couple like requirements that's on my list, like location, like price, neighborhood, like potential appreciation, everything. And this one pretty much checked off everything on my list, so I think it is like a good buy for me. I actually found another property online, not this one, so I reached out to the listing agent, and then that listing agent actually referred me to Mandy, like the agent that I'm working with right now. It was actually really good. At the first time I met with my agent Mandy, we met at a coffee shop, and then she was actually like really prepared already. Like she printed out like the list of all the property that she was going to show me that day, and then she took the time to understand like what's important for me, and then what my requirements are when I look for a property, and then yeah, it was really good. And then the whole process was like really smooth, and then maybe every weekend and then we'll meet up, and then she'll show me like a couple of houses, and then she'll also like send me the list of the property that like meets my requirement. So it was like really good. Yeah, overall I'm like very like satisfied with my agent Mandy and her team, like Rudy Kusuma home selling team.